Hello, today I'm going to show you how to electronically fold your mirrors on your VMAX car, if it is possible. If you open and close your car, this should be make an automatically fold mechanism, enable or disable. If you lock, it will be go into it. If you open it, it will be go out. If you like to perform this manually, you go to the area left at your driver's side. And there is a button where you are able to go and fold and unfold your mirrors. Of course, this goes electric, as you can see. So fold it, unfold it like you need it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. 再见。